Guys, IrwinTech here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing top 5 tech deals of the week, so you can go shopping for the weekend, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys so much for 172 subscribers. We went over our limit, so thank you guys so much. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications to never miss an upload. About 40 or 30 till 200. So if you already just smash that subscribe button. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so first up on our list we have a Microsoft Xbox One X. It was originally $379.97, but now on the price from this website, it is currently $259.97, about like $100 cheaper than it already was, and that you don't have $100 that you don't have to spend. And it comes with a free Xbox game, The Witcher Wild Hunt. If you don't know what that is, it is a really good Xbox game. So you basically, if you're new to gaming, or if you're getting a new console, you get a free game to check out with your new Xbox console. And what if you guys are like, oh, what about shipping? The shipping is totally free, only if you visit the link in the description below. So yeah, guys, visit the link in the description below and you'll be able to find this exact price for a cheap Xbox One X. Now let's get into the next item on our list. Alright guys, so next up on our list we have a Blue Yeti microphone. Most of you might know what a Blue Yeti microphone is. It is a microphone that's about like $100 or $30 or more dollars. Because it's such a good microphone. A lot of YouTubers use this to start out. They upgrade in the future, but this is a really good microphone to start out recording. It is very good, crisp quality for your voice to start out on YouTube. I totally recommend this. I might buy one of these because you guys are reporting my mic is not good, and I am clear that my mic is not good, so I might pick this up and I need a new mic. So I recommend this, guys. You'll only be able to get it at a price of $110. It was originally $140, free shipping. Get it if you get it by Tuesday, May 19th, only at Best Buy. Links in the description below so you guys can go check this cool item out. Only at the link in the description below. Now let's get into the next item on our list. Alright guys, so next item on our list is a Logitech G Pro wired headset for $45. If you don't already know what this is a very popular headset going around now for $45. It is really, really good. It is basically a Logitech Pro gaming headset, which is really cool. I might upgrade my headset. It's good to start out streaming, video gaming. It's a good crisp mic for playing video games on a console or PC because it's got LED lights on the side and it's got crisp sound and surround sound as an option if you'd like. So make sure to guys pick this up only at a cheap price of $45 at the link in the description below. If you don't go to the link, you will not get the amazing deal. Alright guys, so let's get into the next item on our list. Alright guys, so the next item on our list is Red Dead Redemption 2. If you don't already know what this is, it is a new Xbox game that came out. If you haven't already played Red Dead Redemption 1, you're basically going out in the wild, hunting people and deer, all kinds of animals to survive in the wild. It's basically surviving in the wild on a game. So guys, yeah, it's this really cool game, so make sure to pick it up in the link in the description below. For a digital copy, it's $60. For pre-owned, it's $45, and for new copy, it's $60. So make sure to check this out in the links in the description below. So guys, go check this out, and let's get right into the next item on our list. Alright guys, so next up on our list is NBA 2K20 for PlayStation 4. It is currently on sale for $20. Used to be $30. You save $10. Or you could buy it pre-owned for $19. If you don't already know what this game is, it is NBA. If you already know what NBA 2K is, it is a real-life basketball game where you can shoot basketballs, play one-on-one tournaments, and games. But this is the newest version for a low price of $20. So make sure to go check it out in the links in the description below for this amazing game for you guys to play. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also, subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below you subscribed, and you'll get a shout out in my next video. Here are the subscribers for this video, right here. So make sure to go subscribe to them. And yeah, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.